Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best, the boldest, and sometimes the overlooked gems in the world of beauty. Today, we're getting up close and personal with the ZOYA Lip Gloss in the shade Sweettart, a glossy liquid lip treat that promises a pop of color with a shiny finish. Let's see how it really performs. This ZOYA Lip Gloss comes in a 0.42 ounce tube, designed for all skin types. The formula is a liquid gloss, aiming for a high shine, glossy finish without being sticky or uncomfortable on the lips. It's a single pack, so what you see is what you get. And the Sweettart shade is a playful, warm tone that adds a touch of sweetness to any look. When I tried this gloss, the first thing I noticed was how smoothly it applied. The wand is precise, letting you coat your lips evenly without streaks or patchiness. The texture itself is lightweight and feels comfortable. It doesn't cling or pull at the lips, which is a big win for those of us who dislike sticky glosses. I wore it for a few hours during a busy day, and while it did need a touch-up after eating, the color held nicely and left a subtle sheen behind, which gives that healthy, hydrated look. The color payoff is medium, vibrant enough to make a statement, but not overwhelming. It layers well over a nude lip liner, or can be worn on its own for a more natural, glossy effect. One small downside is that, as with most liquid glosses, it can migrate slightly outside the lip line if you're not careful, so a lip liner helps if you want a perfectly polished look. On the plus side, the packaging is sleek and functional. The tube feels sturdy, and the wand dispenses just the right amount of product without excess. The formula itself feels nourishing, though it's not a full-on treatment lip gloss, so don't expect long-term lip hydration like a balm would provide. Now, in terms of value, ZOYA Lip Gloss sits in the mid-range price point for a single gloss. Considering the quality of the formula, the ease of application, and the versatility of the shade, I'd say it's worth the investment if you're looking for a reliable everyday gloss that can transition from day to night. If you're after a budget-friendly alternative, there are other drugstore glosses with similar shine and comfort, but ZOYA offers that subtle sophistication in both color and formula that makes it stand out. Compared to other glossy formulas I've tried, this one strikes a nice balance between shine and wearability. It's not too sticky like some high-shine glosses, yet it delivers more noticeable color than sheer everyday tints. The build quality of the tube also makes it travel-friendly without worrying about leaks or breakage, which is always a plus. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, ZOYA's Sweettart Lip Gloss offers smooth application, a flattering shade for all skin types, and a comfortable glossy finish. It's a solid choice if you want a mid-range gloss that performs well without fuss. It's perfect for someone looking for a playful pop of shine without committing to a bold, opaque lip color. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this gloss, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And remember, the link to grab your own ZOYA Sweettart is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.